So what we're now looking at is the investigational new drug AI assistant become a co-pilot and embedded into a business application built on top of the Appian platform. So Appian does what it's best known for, which is managing the entire life cycle of the regulatory compliance processes. As you see on the left section, it is a classic the process bar or the milestone to managing every step of the business process. On the right is the co-pilot. So first thing we want to try is create a checklist, and we see it generates a pretty comprehensive, detail-oriented about 12 requirements for the IND new drug submission requirements. And let's clear the chat history, and let's try some more details, granular level, very specific questions, and asking for some insight about the intersection, and it's able to come back, retrieve the knowledge from the knowledge base and the large language model, and going to generate the answer. This is a pretty solid answer. And you see the speed is pretty fast because I have been implement the caching on the vector and the prompt caching. So skip the trip to the large language model if we identified that it's previously already been run, so it's fetch pretty fast. Now let's fast forward. Let's see that I'm at the last stage of my process, and I have a checklist at my disposal. Now I'm ready to compile a submission package. So suppose during my process steps, I already using the Appian to collect all those documents. And by the way, we have the Viva connectors, so we could easily to surface the documents stored at the Viva vault and can be surfaced here. So the idea is you pick what the documents you want to zip it up, click a button to compile the submission zip package, and click it, it's going to compile the zip for you. Now let's assume that you already have the zip package before you submit for FDA, and I want to do the submission assessment using the Copilot. So I'm switched to the second module, assessment. We have two input methods, either upload a zip file, or in my case, I already uploading to the AWS S3 bucket. So I can just tell it where the zip file located, and let's say process the S3. And if the model going to unzip the file and come back says, yes, I found there's 3 file documents in the package, 1 PDF, 2 text documents. Now let's say run the assessment. And here are the quick results. First, it gives you overall completeness. And then for each of the 3 documents, it will tell you, do an initial assessment using an agentic AI framework and do the gap analysis. For example, for the FDA 1571, it's a PDF file. It's even going to tell you what other fields is missing. And for the rest of 6 documents, it will say, yes, I don't find it in the package they are missing. And in the last step of the recommendations, it will tell you what to do. For the missing fields, it say please add those. For the text documents, if it's missing, it will tell you please supply those documents. And if it's not what it's checking for the text documents, it will also tell you please add those required items into your documents. And also you can click it to download the entire report as a markdown file format for your review. So quickly to recap, the combination of an AI Copilot for the Regulatory Compliance Accelerator embedded into a business process platform such as Appian, it makes it very flexible and very powerful. So leading to the ultimate business goal is to reducing your compliance submission delay. Thank you for watching.